बॉल्डर गेट 3 का एपिसोड 4। हाँ, एपिसोड शुरू करने वाले हैं अब हम। एपिसोड 4 और बोले तो पार्ट 4। लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर गेम। Both the living and the dead have plenty to say, but corpses won't be. Oh no. The river Cheonthar flows from Erebor all the way to Baldur's Gate. Okay. कहाँ तक हमने इसे कंप्लीट किया था? लेट्स सी। स्क्रीन आ जाए। ओह, अभी हम र्यून्स में ही हैं। र्यून्स से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा फिर। ओके, अब हम रेडी हैं बाहर निकलने के लिए। मैप में चलते हैं और लीव द कैंप। यहाँ थे हम। रिचली एडॉर्न्ड सारफागस फेगस। यहाँ कुछ है हमारे पास। ये क्या?
Here lies the guardian of tombs. Through knowledge comes atonement.
Through knowledge comes atonement. इधर हैवी चेस्ट में क्या है? ओपन। ओह, स्पीक विद अनडेड। इसको मैं इक्विप कर लेता हूँ। मेरे पास एक नया स्पेल आ गया और इन्हें रख लेता हूँ। मैं भी कभी काम आ जाए। ओह, मैं ये क्या है? ओशन डाई। इसे मैं कर दूँ सेंट टू कैंप। अब ठीक है, तो उठा लिया यार।
How much further can I go?
ओह नो, आई डोंट आइडिया। मतलब मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है। इधर चलते हैं। भी ये साइड कुछ हो। यहाँ तो कुछ नहीं है, कोई लीवर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। इसके अंदर भी कुछ नहीं है। चलो यहाँ से चलते हैं नॉटेड रूट्स से होकर। इधर से यहाँ से आ रहा है रोशनी। इनके पास देखने लायक कुछ नहीं है और लूटने लायक भी। ये झरना है, यहाँ से ये रहा लीवर। अभी यहाँ से आयरन लैडर से चढ़ते हैं। चैपल एंट्रेंस पर आ गए हैं यहाँ से। ओके, स्केलेटन है। स्केलेटन के पास क्या है? स्केलेटन के पास पोशन ऑफ हीलिंग और गोल्ड है। पूरा ले लेंगे। टेक ऑल। हम डेड कॉर्प्सेस के पास जो भी रहता है हम सब रख लेते हैं। यहाँ भी नॉटेड रूट से ऊपर जाना है। सब ऊपर आ जाएंगे। और यहाँ ओह, सर्वाइवल फील्ड। यहाँ कुछ था क्या? कुछ रहा होगा। वैसे आज मुझे इनसे बात जो करना है, पहले शैडो हार्ट से बात करते हैं। क्या कहती है?
Something the matter?
नथिंग। मेरे ख्याल से किसी को भी कुछ बातें नहीं करनी हैं। आगे चलते हैं। यहाँ भी कुछ मिलता है।
Something over there. If I
I choose to kill you, you will not even see it.
Aha, Lysel.
Let's see.
Are you invincible or
Packed too
something?
tight. I'll need a shovel.
शवल चाहिए, शवल। ब्रो मेरे ख्याल से यहीं कहीं पास शवल था। इधर था क्या? धीरे धीरे आ रहे हो तुम। इससे मैं कैंसिल कैसे करूं? भूल जाता हूं कि मेरे को कैंसिल भी करना रहता है। वो Z दबा के, Z दोबारा दबा के नहीं होता है।
Just out of view.
ओके, इधर आ जा। इधर
Time to press ahead.
यहाँ से जंप लेना है। अरे जंप लेना था।
Seems
यहाँ
simple enough.
मुझे शवल मिल जाएगा।
Don't fancy. I hear shouting up ahead.
We should check it out, but be careful.
ओके, हम देखेंगे कि कौन वहाँ शाउट कर रहा है, पर उससे पहले हमें ये शवल लेना है और इस डर्ट मोड को खोद लेना है। क्या है इस वुडन चेस्ट में? ओपन। ब्रॉन्ज इंगॉट और गोल्ड इसे ले लेना है। और हाँ, अभी चैपल उधर भी जाना पड़ेगा यार। देखेंगे बाद में कभी चैपल के पास जाके लूट लेंगे। अभी आगे चलते हैं, थोड़ा नया जगह एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। इधर यहाँ मैं जंप कर सकता हूँ। यस, कर सकते हैं ना जंप। वैसे जंप करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं थी वैसे यहाँ। ओह, यहाँ मैं चेक नहीं किया हूँ, कुछ मिले मे बी इसमें। लेट्स ओपन इट। फिश, और इसे हम कैंप में डायरेक्ट भेज देते हैं। सेंड टू कैंप, सेंड टू कैंप। हो गया, कुछ नहीं चाहिए। लेट्स गो। इधर इधर भी नहीं है कुछ। इधर है हमारे पास ड्रैगन एग एंड मशरूम। ड्रैगन एग मशरूम से पिक कर लेते हैं। एशेस ऑफ ड्रैगन एग मशरूम। यहाँ से आगे चलते हैं। कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलता ही है हमें। यहाँ यहाँ okay.
Open the bloody gate!
Nobody gets in! Zevlor's orders!
That pack of goblins will be on us any second!
What's going on?
Goblins are on our tail! Open the gate, Zevlor, now! You let goblins here? Where is the druid? Please! There's no time! The nine hells! Open the gates! Cannon! No! Shit! Form a line! Damnable roach! Provoke the blade and suffer its sting.
ओह, ये तो थोड़ा अजीब हो रहा था। इसकी चांस जक्रोक अराडन रेमिया शैडो हार्ट अब इन्हें चोट पहुंचा सकती है। क्या लेगी? एक ये हाई ग्राउंड है तो ज़्यादा डैमेज आएगा। ये लो, यस, वेल डन। शील्ड ऑफ फेथ इन्हें दे सकते हैं, ये तो दुश्मन है। या नहीं दे सकते तो इसे दे देते हैं स्टारलाइट को शील्ड ऑफ फेथ और ट्राई। अब इसको यहाँ एंड करते हैं अपना टर्न। डैमेज नहीं पहुँचा, इसीलिए अब एंड कर देते हैं। ये क्या है? शॉकिंग ग्रास्प। ये करते हैं। शॉकिंग ग्रास्प से कुछ नहीं होता यार। ये देते हैं और एंड करते हैं टर्न। ज़ेवलॉर रैलीड करने के बाद हमारे पास कुछ आ गया है। रैलीड की कंडीशन है 4 टर्न्स रिमेनिंग, ग्रांटेड 8 टेम्पररी हिट पॉइंट्स बाय अ फ्रेंडली कम्बैटेंट रैलीइंग क्राई। ओके, सो ये बात है, इसे तो निपटाना पड़ेगा। आई गेस हम यूज कर सकते हैं ये वाला, सबका वही 65% डेड। कम हियर एंड टर्न। जंप लेते हैं, अब इसे निपटाते हैं, लैसरेट करते हैं, खत्म। लैसरेट और हो गया, इसको एंड करते हैं।
By sickle and sword, strike them down.
फिर बफेयर, ये वॉर्क। ओए
Every last one of you.
वो डबल अटैक करता है तो रेकलेस वॉर क्राई। ओके, हम हाई ग्राउंड में हैं तो हमें ज़्यादा एडवांटेज है। फिर से गाइडिंग बोल्ट मारता हूँ इस पे, खत्म। थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ, यहाँ कोने में एंड करते हैं। मैं भी गाइडिंग बोल्ट मारता हूँ बगबियर को। पूरी तरह से तो नहीं मारा लेकिन सफिशिएंट है। एंड करता हूँ। इसके पास भी फायर बोल्ट मारते हैं। मिस हो गया यार, बिकॉज ऑफ गाइडिंग बोल्ट। नो फायर डैमेज।
I am fury. I am death.
ये ज़्यादा डैमेज करता है वेपन। कोई बात नहीं, हम तीर से नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं। डिसएडवांटेज? व्हाई? I guess we cannot do that.
A hidden threat.
Oh no no no! डैमेज कर दिया। Arms of Hadar. मार तो नहीं देंगे इसको। नहीं शैडो हार्ट सीक्रेट फायर मारते हैं। उतरना तो पड़ेगा यार।
Sometimes the only way out is through.
मैं गाइडिंग इस पे मारते हैं। ज़ाकर्क गॉब्लिन बॉस है। मिस हो गया यार।
On my way.
इस नीचे उतरना ही पड़ेगा। नीचे एंड यहाँ पे विश बोल्ट। नाइस। बगबियर डेड।
Let's light them up.
उतरते हैं एंड करते हैं।
Victory awaits.
लेज़र मार सकता है वहाँ जाके? नहीं मार सकता। लगता है तीर धनुष से ही मजा चखाना चाहिए। ओह क्रिटिकल हिट। नाइस।
My path be true.
एंड और तो गया ना।
On I go.
थोड़ा और पास एंड देन फायर वर्क।
Nothing important is ever easy. Time to press ahead.
थोड़ा दूर और एंड देन मार देंगे गाइडिंग बोल्ट। खत्म।
That was the last of them. Inside! All of you! More may follow! Open the gate!
Yes, open the gate. मैं इन corpses को
Were tenacious. I wonder what they wanted here, other than bloodshed.
A taste of goblins to come, I fear. Must be a horde nearby.
Oh. Let's पहले बातचीत कर लेते हैं।
Something the matter?
Nothing. लूट लेते हैं। लूट में मिलेगा हमको गोल्ड। हम गोल्ड पिक कर लेंगे, लेकिन ये वेपन्स की क्या ज़रूरत। लूट करेंगे, वेपन रख लेंगे। वेपन रख लेंगे। मॉर्निंग स्टार इतना डैमेज करता है। जो लेज़र रखी है 7 डैमेज करता है ये। आई गेस तुम्हें ना मॉर्निंग स्टार यूज़ करना चाहिए। इक्विप, नाइस। लूट, ओह, Globes of Power, Absolute's Bane. On a hit with a weapon attack, possibly inflict -1d4 penalty to the target's attack roll. ये भी हम शैडो हार्ट को पहना देते हैं और पैसा रख लेते हैं। इसके लूटने में क्या मिलेगा? मिलेगा वॉर्ग फैंग। रखते चलते हैं, कभी ना कभी तो जरूरत पड़ ही जाएगा। गॉब्लिन ब्रॉलर, नथिंग। इधर ग्रीस, इन्हें रखते हैं। पिक 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 एंड द स्टाफ। रिचुअल स्टाफ की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसे छोड़ दिया जाए। इस पे क्या है?
Just check for anything useful.
गोल्ड पिक, इसे रीड करते हैं। Milil is the lord of song. Pray to him for inspiration. Hear his call and sing along. Let his art be your salvation. Mirkul is the lord of death, of hopelessness and ending things. He will come for all at their last breath. Lords and peasants, crooks and kings. Mistra, goddess of all mages. She provides and tends the weave, revered by many through the ages. All magic we from her receive. समझ में नहीं आया पर मज़ा आया। ओ यहाँ भी है, गॉड बॉडी है इधर। गॉब्लिन ट्रिक्स्टर ट्रैकर, गॉब्लिन ट्रैकर। गोल्ड उठा लेना है। नाइस, सब है अब हमारे पास। अब आगे चलते हैं। ओ, हमें यहाँ एक सीजल रहता है, इस सीजल को हम एक्टिवेट करा लेते हैं। यहाँ पास आओ। ये एमरल्ड ग्रूव एंडियोरेंस, पता नहीं क्या है ये, जो भी है। पर ये सीजल एक्टिवेट हो चुका है। अब चलते हैं यहाँ। Tenacity. When you miss a target, deal 1 bugling damage anyway. Okay, अच्छा weapon है। Morning Star or Shadow Heart at least.
There are children here, you fool!
We was running for our lives.
You led them straight to us, and you let them take the druid too? Unbelievable!
Oh, इसमें क्या चलेंगे, मतलब चूज करेंगे। One fight just ended and now you're poking another. Relax.
Tell that to the dead at the gate.
Shut it, Horns! I'd be lying dead next to the goblins if you'd stalled any longer.
My duty is to this camp.
Oh, God forbid you risk your precious tail. But I shouldn't be surprised. Foulbloods ain't known for courage.
You see the tiefling's jaw clench. He's about to erupt.
हो गया यार, लड़ना नहीं है अभी, आगे तुमको मिलकर लड़ना है। तो मैं परसुएशन करता हूँ, मैं करिश्मा मेरा है तो मैं परसुएशन कर सकता हूँ। बोनस ऐड करते हैं। एक बार और रोल कर लेते हैं। नहीं, critical success. Continue.
You're right. There's too much at stake.
Worried about your precious hides?
Chadwada
The both
approves.
of you.
Enough! Squabbling is pointless. The goblins have found us.
At least we agree on that.
Oh, nice.
Safe haven.
I'm more worried about this parasite than a few goblins.
We need a healer.
We need to leave.
Very well.
Let's investigate here. ये भी कुछ मिल जाए हमें यहाँ। Let's talk to her. कल्डानी से बात करते
I
हैं।
need a quick word.
Aradin's back with his tail between his legs. I'm glad for your help, but I'd hoped you were Halsin.
Oh, Halsin होता। I'm looking for a healer. Let's skip the local drama. It looks like, sounds like you have crossed paths with Aradin before.
Yeah, when he ran off with the druid that saved our hides the first time. Without Halsin, this grove's not so friendly, I'll tell you that.
Oh, Bucky.
No! Get off, Cannon!
Cannon मर गया। It's
He's not breathing! Go find a healer!
Do not embarrass yourself. He is gone.
No!
We need to avenge this. Spill some goblin blood. I'm sorry it happened so fast. He's dead. Stop wasting your time. ये वाला।
Someone's going to pay for this.
Arka, no! Wait! What are you doing?
आर्का चली गई, किसको पे कराएगी? ये इससे भी बात करते हैं। इलियागिस।
Glad you made it inside. Doubt we'll be safe here for long, though. There'll be more coming. Goblins hunt in packs.
Oh. You could hold off a horde of goblins from this position.
Maybe, but we're not fighters. If they broke through, it'd be a massacre. The sooner we leave for Baldur's Gate, the better.
How far are we from the city?
If the road was clear, 10 days' walk, maybe. But while the goblins are out there, it might as well be the other side of the world. I feel like we're being watched.
Okay. What about her?
Not now. Please.
Oh. Because ये मारा गया इसीलिए। Canon.
I was joking about Octa's soup just a moment ago. Come on, Penelope. We dig a hole and be done with him.
वाओ, क्या दिखता है यार, सही मज़ा ही आ जाता है। नाइस। chasm. ओ यहाँ भी कोई है। नादीरा। The enemy is surprised. Enemy ये है Bugbear Assassin. इसे मारना पड़ेगा। कोई नहीं, इसे निपटा देंगे with this। तो खिंचा ही नहीं। Let's take this and
My path be true.
मार सकता है? नो, टूटी है, ये कर सकता है। वाओ नाइस कमल dazed and this attack surge and एक बार और रुको मेरे पास और ऑप्शंस थे। ये कौन से ऑप्शन है? 2 to 9 डैमेज करेगा और ये यही ठीक है। यहाँ बिगड़ गया यार।
Got to press on.
ये मैं करूँगा इससे ये वाला डैमेज। हो गया, सेव हो गया यार। सीक्रेट फायर से सेव हो जाता है। बगबेयर के पास क्या है? ये सरप्राइज्ड है, थ्रेटेंड है और डेज्ड भी है। फिर भी
One can't always be a gentleman.
गेल की बारी। गेल करेगा विच बोल्ट, मे बी फायर बोल्ट। वाह क्रिटिकल हिट, नाइस। एंड टर्न फियरफुल है, डर गई है। ओके ये करते हैं क्रिटिकल हिट डाउन। लूट देखते हैं। ओह नाइस, पिक 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 and then I will talk to Nadera.
What's up for discussion?
You have good timing. Never been much of a fighter, so wrestling a bugbear would have gone poorly. But you're not here for heroics, are you? Avernus's stench is all over your skin. Let me guess. Your devil mistress sent you to get her soul coin back. Too bad. I earned it, fair and square.
Deception, you got me. Hand the coin over and I will be on my way. Yeah, nice. ये करते हैं ना। Continue.
That bloody Irenes! Devils just can't stand to lose. Here. Now go back to the pit that made you.
ओके मेरे पास अब कॉइन आ गया है, राइट? कितने कॉइन है मेरे पास? सोल कॉइन 2 है। दीज कॉइन्स कैन पावर इन्फर्नल इंजन्स। I don't know what is this infernal engine, but maybe it is something useful. यहाँ आ जाओ। यहाँ से उतरेगा? नहीं, वहाँ से उतरेगा। वो नीचे यहाँ। ओह नो, ये है ना डर्ट माउंड। ओपन इट अप, कुछ तो मिलेगा। वुडन चेस्ट ओपन, नाइस। वो आई कैन टॉक टू दैट एनिमल। मैं स्पीक विद एनिमल अपने आप पे मारता हूँ। Then I can talk to this. This timber.
Get out!
The
squirrel lunges at your foot and bites it.
अरे किक करूँगा तो मर जाएगी. Calm down. I am a friend.
You barged in without an invitation. I wouldn't call that friendly. See, you're in my territory, and I want you gone.
Oh, there's plenty of room for both of us. Right? Add bonus. Nice. Persuasion check. Success.
How about this? You can stay if you keep those ugly feet on the ground. I'll even sweeten the pot. Found some weird smelling stuff on the ground. You can keep it, but these trees are mine. Follow the rules and I won't have to intervene. Got it?
Yes, I understand. What is this? Hyena ear. एक alchemical ingredient है power of potion बनाने के लिए. Accept कर लो.
Action, not reaction.
You can talk to, right?
All's well that ends not as bad as it could have.
This place seems remarkably tense for a sacred grove. Perhaps we shouldn't linger. But let's at least see if there's a healer to be found, first of all.
Okay. What's the story with that odd little artifact you have?
There's no story. None that you're entitled to hear, anyway. Just forget you ever saw it.
Oh, okay. ठीक है. Leave. What about Gale?
I've never had cause to visit a druid's grove before. Magic weighs heavier here. Seeking solace in root and soil. Grounding, one might say.
What about Lae'zel?
Every Githyanki has held a sword by age 6 and claims their first kill by age 10. Yet these tieflings claim barely a single warrior among them. It's a wonder they've survived even this long.
Lae'zel is a warrior, right? Alien warrior, but warrior.
These boots have seen everything.
Oh, इधर bear है.
Won't budge.
budge. हिल भी नहीं रहा है ये तो. कोई बात नहीं, इधर आओ. ज़ेवलॉर से बात करते हैं. क्या पता कुछ बताएगा ये फिर हमें.
Forgive that display. Aradin's a blowhard, but that's no cause for me to join him. Thank you for your help out there. I'm Zevlor.
And I am Starlight.
Well met. I should warn you, visitors are no longer welcome in this grove. Whatever your business, I'd see to it quickly. The druids are forcing everyone out. This attack will only strengthen their resolve.
Oh. What are they forcing you out? Why are they forcing you out?
There have been several attacks by different monsters. The druids blame us outsiders for drawing them here. Nobody's welcome anymore. They've started a ritual to cut the grove off from the world outside. We can't stay, but we'll be slaughtered if we leave. We're no fighters.
So, this ritual, is there no way to convince the druid to stop it?
I've tried. Korga, their new first druid, won't even see me. You, though... I know it's not your business, but she owes you for saving this place. Perhaps you could persuade her. For more time to prepare, if nothing else.
Okay, I will see what I can do.
I think you should. Yes. No harm in trying the diplomatic route.
We'd owe you a great debt. If we're forced to leave now, we won't make it to the city. You'll find the druids at the heart of the grove. Please, make them see sense before more lives are lost.
Okay. पहले हम लेवल अप कर लेते हैं. Druid. हेल्थ इंक्रीज हो गया 24 में और हमें नए स्पेल्स भी मिल रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट. नाइस. मैं स्पेल्स प्रिपेयर कर सकता था, मैं अभी नहीं किया. ये क्या? Prayer of healing. Heal all allies you can see. Can only be used outside of combat. Combat के outside इसका उपयोग किया जा सकता है. Lesser restoration. Lesser restoration is a good spell. Cure a creature from disease, poison, paralysis or blindness. कोई नहीं. आई गेस ये सही है. और ये एड. हील योर allies and increase their hit points maximum by. यही रखे रहते हैं, इसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. चॉइस पेंड कर रहा है, यहाँ से कुछ लेना पड़ेगा. क्लाउड ऑफ डैगर्स और आर्केन लॉक. एनलार्ज एंड रिड्यूस. फ्लेमिंग स्पीयर. मैजिक वेपन. Infuse a weapon with arcane magic. The weapon becomes magical, receiving +1 bonus to attack and damage rolls. Scorching Ray. Hurl 3 rays of fire. Each ray deals 2 to 12 fire damage. नहीं. Cloud of dagger and Misty Steps. This one. Accept. Specialization available. Okay. क्या करता है? Maneuver. As a paragon of tactical superiority, you employ a wide array of combat maneuvers to dominate every fight. ये क्या है? Superiority dice. Your superiority dice are D8s. You have 4. At fighting level 10, these dice becomes D10s. They fuel your battle master maneuver and are expended upon use. You regain expended superiority dice after a short or long rest. Champion क्या करता है? Improved critical hit. The number you need to roll a critical hit while attacking is reduced by 1. The effect can stack. Elder Lich. Cantrip weapons. मैं cantrip यूज कर पाऊंगा. Spells वगैरह नहीं, हमें ये करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Arcane Archer. मतलब ये नो, मुझे चैम्पियन ठीक रहता है. क्रिटिकल अपोनेंट्स का क्रिटिकल। ओके, अच्छे से लेवल हो चुके हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं। अभी हमें कुछ मिल जाएगा। दी हॉलो।
This grove is kept by Sylvanus' faithful.
Sylvanus' faithful. Let's talk to Aaron.
I want to have a word.
Refugees, adventurers, no one in years, and suddenly we're overwhelmed. Well met. And thank you for beating back those goblins. Most brave of you. Is there anything you need? I lower my prices for fellow druids, but you'll need to be quick. The ritual will be complete before too long.
But you will need to be quick. The ritual will be complete before too long. I'm looking for a healer.
I pray no goblin arrow has grazed you. Nettie could put you to rights.
Okay.
She should be with the others in the inner chambers, but I doubt she'll be taking on new patients. The grove will be locked down soon.
Oh, so you are really looking down, locking down the grove?
I know it's drastic, but more monsters seem to terrorize this region every day.
What about the people here?
We druids will be safe. As for those that took refuge here, well, may Sylvanus guard them as they continue their travels.
You just said the region's overrun by monsters. They won't survive by themselves.
As I said, it's a drastic measure. But the survival of the grove is paramount. There just aren't enough supplies to support everyone.
What are you selling?
Just some bits and bobs I no longer need.
ओह नाइस। क्या है तुम्हारे पास? तुम्हारे पास है हेज आर्मर। मेरे पास 410 गोल्ड है। सफिशिएंट गोल्ड नहीं है। सुपीरियर मटेरियल, यू टेक 1 less slashing damage. Take gloves of missile snarling. You can intercept missiles from ranged weapon attacks, reducing their damage. और ये वाला flinking. The wearer gains bonus to throw damages. मैं proficient नहीं हूँ पर इसमें हूँ। इससे लेना चाहिए पर ये 215 एंड ये रेन डांसर ये अच्छा है। क्रिएट वाटर, मुझे एक स्पेल मिल जाएगा, ट्रांसम्यूटेशन स्पेल। नो, इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है क्या? इससे लेते हैं। ट्रेड, नाइस। क्लैम शेल की जरूरत नहीं, इसे बेच देते हैं। शिमतार और कोई वेपन है इसके पास, पर इसमें मैं निपुण नहीं हूँ। ओ, हमारे पास ये है ना, क्या लेज़र?
I crave blood.
लेज़र 2 to 9 डैमेज करेगी और मैं 3 to 10। इसे इक्विप कर लेना चाहिए। हो गया। अभी पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास। ये क्या है? पर्ल, इसे बेच दिया जाए। सेल 221। अभी भी नहीं है कुछ। किताब चैपल सेल कर दिया जाए। इसे भी सेल कर दिया जाए। सेल 242। $226 balance, dexterity, saving throws. इससे लेना चाहिए कि ये ठीक है। 226 पेन क्लास बाई। और इसे हम पहन सकते हैं। नाइस, हो गया।
Sylvanas, guide your path.
Okay, I understand. वो मेरे पास अभी ये चल रहा है ना, until long rest. चलो इससे पूछते हैं कुछ। Ikron.
We've known enough grief this 10-day traveler. Don't be the cause of more.
क्या ब्रो, मैंने करा क्या? तेरे को पूछा ही तो है बस।
Hope the goblins aren't smart enough to poison their blades.
Take your time.
Oh, backpack. Open. कुछ नहीं है, खाली है। Oh, Rolan.
Hells! We can't just leave. They're kin!
I'll not gamble our lives, our futures, on people who are as good as dead. We must leave for Baldur's Gate at once.
Can we all just take a moment, please?
What's the point in blades and spells if we don't bloody use them? We should stay. These people aren't fighters. We can help.
Or yell louder. That's fine too.
Carl. Okay. Say nothing or persuade करो. You should all stay. A single blade could make a difference. Persuade करते हैं. Guidance भी लाते हैं. क्या था? Nice. Success. Continue.
Thank you. It's the right thing to do, and you know it.
She's right, Roland. We're better than this.
Zergan. Fine, I'll stay too. Lest you both end up with your throats slit by Goblin Blade.
Thank you, Roland.
Nice.
Die if I met Leroica reeking of this place.
Tauron.
Never get the smell.
This place is a bloody death trap, not a sanctuary. You should clear off while you can.
Okay, Baba. Clear off while you can. कुछ है क्या इधर? Open. Open. Gold and nice. Hungry ox.
The waiting's getting to me.
Talk.
If we left, we could...
Be gone. I am hungry.
जी आप भूखी हैं और तुम बोर्डॉक्स। ये बोर होगा क्या?
Another one. What are you under there then? Ant. Aurochs.
Aurochs? Describe me, well.
Big and slow. The keepers of this place choose different forms, better ones. They become birds, to hunt on the wing, bears to tear flesh with teeth. But for me, only oxen, only same old hay. And I cannot even eat it, because the horned ones hide their shiny bits inside.
Shiny bits. The tieflings put something in your hay.
Hiding things. Thinking they're clever. Not clever. Sometimes I eat the shiny bits, and they have to go looking for them on the other end.
यहाँ से तो निकाला था यार मैं. He's back. यहाँ भी होगा क्या?
Seems a little too interested in me.
Strange ox.
Ah, you're addressing me, a humble ox. How quaint.
Arcana. There's something strange about this ox. What is it? -1 from the intel. अरे bro. पर तब भी haven't you ever met anyone who could speak the Oxen? Do you come from Utral with the others?
I suppose I did. Yes. I had quite a life in El Turul. Chewing cud, pulling carts, etc.
Etc. Haven't you met anyone who could speak
A
Oxen?
druid or two, I suppose. But the novelty remains fresh.
ये करते हैं अब. इंटेलिजेंस माइनस हो रहा है, गाइडेंस प्लस हो रहा है. देखते हैं क्या होता है. या Continue.
Something's off. This creature isn't what it appears to be.
This moves to you, then meets the eye. Care to explain? Whatever is secret, it's yours to keep. ये करता हूँ.
I'm glad you think so. Otherwise, things might have gotten very messy.
Messy? What's more to you than meets the eye? Care to explain?
No. You are incapable.
Okay. Persuade कर सकते हैं. Come on, old chap. I'm a develop for gossip. Intimidation. Out with it, cow. You're going to regret it. Or deception. Fine. I hear that tieflings are going to butcher one of you for food. So your secrets will die with you. Deception. अच्छा लग रहा है डिसेप्शन करने में. ओ एनिमल फ्रेंडशिप सेकंड वाला. भाई है एडवांटेज आ जाएगा. नाइस.
I'd so love to see them try. I'll tell you this much. I'm going to Baldur's Gate, with or without the rest of these poor sods. Now, that's all I have to say besides, and I really mean this. Moo.
ठीक है, हम समझ गए.
I mean...
Move along, I mean. Oh, this person. Donnie.
He stares right past you, as if you're invisible. Or boring.
Are you alright? I see. Anything else on your mind?
He's still staring right past you.
Turn around to see what he's looking at.
You see nothing out of the ordinary. As you turn back, the child slips between the rocks.
Oh, perception succeed. Investigation, search. Bro, मेरा माइनस इंटेलिजेंस होता है यार. गाइडेंस प्लस करके. Nice.
You look the rocks over, but find no sign of a way through.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चेक नहीं निकाल पाया, इसलिए मैं अंदर नहीं जा सकता. Oh, Martis.
Hold out your hand, lady. Let me show you something. Go on. Take this ring. It's lucky.
That was a fancy trick.
You haven't seen anything yet, lady. Go on. Take the ring and watch your fortune change.
Mimic the trick. Mimic कर सकता हूँ. Ah, nice. इसमें भी है. Dexterity saving throws. Nice. 1, 4, and 2. Nice. Continue.
Weeping bleeding hells! Okay, maybe you don't need extra luck. But since you're already holding the thing, call it. Heads or tails?
Tails.
Tails it is! See? That's the kind of luck you get from one of my lucky rings. I've got more where that came from. Real cheap too. Interested?
Okay. No thanks. Could I see your other wares?
You got it. One sec.
Perception.
That's what I got.
Urchin. Once inspiration gained. अब मैं क्या लूट ये क्या है? Attitude 0 है. Bro. दे देता हूँ इसे. And
nothing cool.
You suddenly feel something moving against your back and
aha. Oh, child. Observe her silently. Maybe these are just crocodile tears. Athletics. Ignore her theatrics and grab her. Detect thoughts. Read her thoughts. पर इंटेलिजेंस मेरा माइनस हो रहा है. Insight. Athletics. यार मेरे को थॉट्स डिटेक्ट करना था यार. कैरेक्टर सेलेक्ट, ट्रेड, डायलॉग, और ये क्या है? मेरे पास डिटेक्ट थॉट्स नाम का कुछ नहीं है. भी नहीं रखा हूँ. लेज़ल के पास तो कुछ नहीं. I guess मुझे ऑब्जर्व करना चाहिए. Success.
You notice she's trembling. The tears streaming down her cheeks are indeed real.
Relax, I won't get angry. You didn't even manage to get anything from me. मतलब ये tremble हो रही है. इसका मतलब ये सच में रो रही है. Okay.
I can't do this anymore, Mattis. I'm sorry.
भाग गया. चलो मैटिस, अब तुम जवाब दो, क्या हो रहा है?
Hey, you here to trade or?
Your partner's a thief.
Yeah, I know. I was standing right here telling her to rob you.
You can make it right by giving me a percentage of your take.
Fine. I'm not so good at counting, but I think any percentage of 0 is 0. Look, you caught her. Good for you. You aren't a chump like everyone else around here. Now, do me a favor. Make room for the chumps.
Moving ahead. Something over there. Not a chance I'll fit in there.
मेरे पास वाइल्ड कैट में बदल सकता हूँ और अब यहाँ जा सकता हूँ। Disengage. ये है ना, dismiss wild sheep. Nice. नीचे चलते हैं, बातचीत करते हैं. Maybe we will find something interesting. Oh, you gone. Mole?
Well, look who's come to visit. My kids say you've been busy since you got here. And thanks for going easy on Sylphie. Not many Marks would have done the same.
Why are you running all these schemes and swindles? Risky, you know?
We're saving up for a better hideout when we get to Baldur's Gate. Why? You planning on telling me stealing is wrong?
Quite the opposite. I want to invest in the newest Thieves Guild on the Sword Coast.
Won't turn down free money. I've got operating costs you wouldn't believe. Come see me in the city sometime, huh? I'll repay this and then some. See you around, maybe.
Okay.
I should speak up.
You don't look so tough. Mole fought off a hobgoblin all by herself.
Ah, मोल हॉबगॉब्लिन से लड़ी है. Sylphie.
Oh. Hello again. Mole's in charge here, not me.
Okay. यहाँ कुछ नहीं है.
We're going to own that town.
Bonita. दानी ही है. अब मैं जंप कर सकता हूँ. Open. Take all. jump, and this. मैं ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं हो सकता ना, मैं लगता है लॉन्ग रेस्ट के बाद ही दोबारा ट्रांसफॉर्म हो पाऊंगा।
Better not be cursed. Not a chance I'll fit in there.
यहाँ और रास्ता होना चाहिए, कोई गेम ब्रेकर नहीं हो जाएगा कि मैं अंदर जा पा रहा हूँ लेकिन बाहर नहीं आ पा रहा हूँ। यहाँ कहीं से जाना होगा। Yeah. Oh, ये रहा ये पुल स्विच। नाइस। ग्रुप ऑल, आ जाओ मेरे फ्रेंड्स। Nice.
Please, blast through.
Let my daughter go right now!
She's a thief, hellspawn, and you will wait for Korga's judgment. Now get back!
Oh, let me through, Mragrasham, or I'll rip your damn throat out!
ईयर में कन्वर्ट हो गया। ट्रांसफॉर्म।
We could have taken those guards.
I'd rather you not get eaten by a bear.
बात करते हैं।
Try greasy palms. Lives are at stake, and the cowards only care about their bloody rituals.
What about Seth?
We could help each other. Fight the goblins together. Instead, these fools are trying to chase us away.
What about him?
Those dirt kissers would let us die for the sake of their bloody grove.
Bloody grove. Let's Giorna.
Carl Magrin, give her a chance. You, get back!
I am the druid, same as yourself. Allow me to pass and pay my respects, please.
Druid or not, you're still an outsider to this place. Entry is forbidden.
A moment, Giorna.
What? Oh, I understand. You. Apparently Korga wants to see you. Go ahead.
Alas, I've never learned to converse with your kind.
Yes, I'm quite aware.
Bolo.
Ah, my good friend. You were at the gates just now, no? When the goblins came? You saw them up close? A few questions, if you please. There's no overstating my interest.
क्या interest से? Fine, ask your questions.
Glory. Now then, how would you describe that particular batch of goblins? Size, nature, distinguishing qualities?
You search your mind, but remember nothing useful about goblin social order or behavior.
They were goblins, same as all the others, lowly and vile. Give an exact description.
Goblins were of a rare, jam-coloured hue and wielded magic blowguns.
A mythweaver. This man has no respect for truth.
And the dragon they had marching in the rear, was it of the brass or silver variety?
Dragon? There wasn't any dragon.
Witnesses failed to notice the obvious dragon. Last question, then you'll be quite free. Did the attackers rally to the absolute when they fell upon the gates?
Yes, they called the name like a war cry.
They did, didn't they? Oh, curious. Oh, curious indeed. I've interrogated one, a captive in this very camp. She reports they've abandoned their god Maglabiet in favor of someone called the Absolute. The scandal!
Goblin superstition, not both the ink parchment.
Ah, but is superstition all? These goblins are informed by a kind of strategy anathema to their kind.
Anathema?
I, for one, intend to get to the bottom of it. I'm just preparing to head to their camp as we speak, in fact. If you'll excuse me, I ought not to dawdle.
I will not dawdle. Be careful. Goblins aren't known for mercy.
Never you mind. Who needs mercy when you've a quick tongue, And an invisibility potion stashed in your back pocket?
Until we meet again.
Just a moment. This man is recording my story. I am far from home.
As the colourful man starts scribbling, the bear sneaks a quick look at the page. His brow furrows. Incomprehensible squiggles surround a crude sketch. A bear disemboweling a clutch of tieflings.
What?
Ah, my grizzled friend. What can you tell me about this place?
Oh.
Yes, I see.
Oh,
And just that.
He didn't come back, did he? His smell is gone. He's gone.
Who? Who are you looking for?
Master, he left with the weaponed two legs. He said he'd be back. But I can smell them, the weaponed ones, and I cannot smell him. He's not coming back.
You look strong. Why not go after him?
No, the woods have gone dark. There's too many predators lately, and I was never the strong one.
Fish. Pick up. Fish. Pick up. Fish. Pick up. और भी फिश है नहीं है oh I can move it through there 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 examine. It's an amulet of Sylvanus. Lesser restoration है इसमें. This amulet is engraved with a small waterfall. Impart is a feeling of calm serenity when worn. Okay, इसे मैं पहन लेता हूँ ब्रो. Equip. मैं Amulet of Sylvanus यहाँ पहना हूँ. तो speak with dead किसके पास जाना चाहिए? अपनी क्लरिक के पास.
What's next, I wonder?
Right? पूरा खोलता हूँ ना. इसको यहाँ पहनाता हूँ.
Yes, I'm quite aware.
Oh, they are doing some magic. Adar. Oh, Alar.
Complexum tuum aptera ortum ad nostifera.
कौन सी बात होती है? Oh, this baby. Talk to him. क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी भी speak with animals है. इससे speak करते हैं.
Something's on my mind.
Tough it.
I'm sleeping.
Throw a fish next to the elevator. Could you move just a little bit? I need to use the elevator.
Okay.
Oh, बल्ब बोल के भी काम हो जाता है. अब यहाँ से ऊपर नीचे जा सकते हैं.
Swift as my feet can carry me.
करने की क्या जरूरत? Open. कुछ नहीं है इन वेस में. Ways, was. You can talk to these bird.
Shh, I'm concentrating. Does this look good? Is the coin in the middle?
I will leave it out. It's too dull. Advantage Eddie. 11-1. Nice.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah, you're right. This is better.
Better.
Something the matter?
Leave. तो सब चोरी कर लिया यार इससे. Let's talk to her.
Speak.
What are you saying to that bird? I'm looking for a healer. Help me narrow the search.
Find Nettie in her room. Through the carved door, deeper in the grove.
What were you saying to that bird? It doesn't look like you are helping with the ritual.
The ritual is Korga's decision, but she is not our leader. Master Halsin welcomed the refugees in. I wait for him to resolve this.
Is that why you were talking with that bird?
Hold your tongue. The bird knows. She needs to know. You do not.
Come on. Surely a fellow druid is entitled to know.
Forgive me.
Forgive me.
My love for my brethren is strong. But trust. It is delicate. More follow Korga every day. They are afraid, and she offers a simple solution. Eject the refugees, and we will be safe.
Sounds like she has to be stopped. How would we do that?
A druid and an outsider. We can do nothing without turning the others against us. Only Master Halsin can stop this. I pray my bird returns with news of him. If not, I fear for my people.
What happened to Halsin?
He left with the adventurers. They went treasure hunting in an old temple near here. Master Halsin did not chase treasure. I do not know what he was chasing, but he never returned.
Okay, leave.
Find our master. Return to me then. Tell me what you find. Tell only.
ये है स्टोन डोर, राइट? यहाँ मुझे जाना है. ओके, अभी मैं इसको सेव कर लेता हूँ. New save.